everybody, this is a real quick video. I've given a review and talked a little bit about some troubleshooting with an E2 error on this Euhomy refrigerator. I had a little issue pop up I wanted to share with everybody. So essentially what has been happening is over the last couple of months we'd start to get these E2 errors, and I'd flip the float, power down the unit, and get it back up and running. About a month ago, my wife and I started to notice we would have an E2 error pop up probably at least every other day. So every morning I'd come out here, the E2 error would be up, and I'd power it down, flip it back on. So a couple of weeks ago, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do a hard shutdown, unplug it, and see what happens. So if any of you are having a chronic E2 error suddenly on your Euhomy refrigerator, here's what I want you to do. Pull the unit out from wherever you have it tucked in, unplug it, let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, then plug it back in. I think what that's doing is it's just kind of totally resetting the little simple CPU that's inside and driving this thing. But after doing that, I haven't had any E2 errors pop up in a couple of weeks now. So I think just powering it down, kind of like rebooting your iPhone once in a while, can help it operate, or your computer, more smoothly. So give that a shot. If you're getting a lot of E2 errors, power down your Euhomy refrigerator, wait about 20-30 minutes, power it back up, and that might give the little onboard computer a fresh start.